Hello everyone. So finally, we reached to Sangam, and here we already done the bath. And I have talked with many people that Amavasya Purnami and many other 3 to 4 main kumbs that we can call like Mahakumbh is near, right? The first one is already done. That is what I can call it. The name was like Sankranti, right? That done on 14th Feb, and the other one is like 29th. That is Mauni Amavasya. So for that, like people, they are too much excited, and the rush is literally too high, even like normal days, and even now also. Okay, so here like I asked the examples, many persons that how they felt after doing the royal bath, and here I wanted to show you all the background. So this is the Yamuna and Saraswati in the middle, where the boat is standing. You all can see the boat, right? So in between that, you will be able to see like your Ganga, Yamuna, with that even Saraswati also. So here we done the conversation with many people, and we asked that how you felt, and after doing a lot of stuff, but the reach here. So during reaching time, so they felt that why we are coming. But when they take the one dip in river, so during that time they feel that everything like happy and like fruitful. That stuff that they're done to reach over there, so like it converted into happiness or like fruitful. So here, like even now I'm getting little bit fear to do a single conversation. I really wanted to ask the questions to many people, but I unable. And here like you can see the what can I call like the people, even they are unable to walk, they are unable to pass their urine, so they are handling the what can I call like urine pipes and persons also I wanted to show you. So they are urine. They are moving, right? So they hold it and with that they came here for the royal bath. Then I asked the question that is it so important? So they said that yes, of course. Why? Because Mahakumbh, it just entered 4 years, right? After very and the other thing that if you are taking 3 to 4 what can I call like birth, after that you will get this option. Sorry, not option, like this chance, and we are very lucky person that we get this chance. So why we should miss it? Even like another bag we get a chance, we get a great opportunity, so we should utilize it. I really felt very happy when I heard this thing from them. And like many persons and the people that even the facilities, it's really good, and like many people, they are reaching over there each and every day, and the rush is literally too high. Okay, everything is there, like facilities are there, but still the neatness, that's it's good, but like washroom, better is what I can call like in that only like somewhere people, they are just lacking because of cleaning that. They have little issue with that, and everything is literally fine for the for roaming purpose and like for darshan and all the things. And in early morning time, the rush is literally too high. Like even we back nearly by 3 a.m. So during that time only I thought that I need to record the video, but even I have little fear to like on the camera hold it, and if someone like someone like take or like in the rush, so it's hard to find the person and to take back the phone. So that's the reason like my mother, she didn't allow me to on the phone and like record the things. Now we just came here only for the purpose to sit and to watch the view. Okay, and I thought that okay, let's bath. So I took again bath, and here like this is not the main ghat. The Sangam Ghat is near to that flags, as you all can see over that. Okay, so there are still plan is to do that in the main summer. But due to rush, like even people who are thinking that okay, one bath is enough. So now I wanted to find for my mother where she is. So I'll connect with you guys again. Okay.